Hey, in this video we are going to learn how to create an account on Hitflim Express. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. On the URL bar, type in artlist.io and click on enter. You'll see a web page like this. On the top right corner of your screen, click on sign in button. Here, if you do not have an account, you need to click on sign up button. After that, type in your full name on this field, your email address on this field, and a password, and click on free sign up button. Or you can also continue with your Google account by simply clicking on this button. I have already created an account, so I am simply going to log in. As you can see that I have been logged into my account. So that is how you can create an account on Hitflim Express. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.